Hi, dear champ. Do support us by subscribing to our videos. This will help us in creating more educational videos for you. Hi, champ. Today's topic is Level 4 Maths, and the quiz will be about length, weight, capacity, and money. Part 1 of the series. Pause between questions for better understanding and learning. Always use a large screen for better visibility. Read the complete question before answering. Have a bottle of water beside you while watching the video. All the best, dear champ. Trickster 1. A train left Chennai at 5:50 am and reached Madurai at 1:30 pm on the same day. How long did it take to reach Madurai? A. 7 hours 20 minutes. B. 8 hours and 20 minutes. C. 7 hours and 40 minutes. D. 6 hours and 40 minutes. The correct answer is option C, 7 hours and 40 minutes. The solution. The train's departure time is 5:50 am and the arrival time is 1:30 pm. So the duration of the journey is 5:50 to 6:50, 7:50, 8:50, 9:50, 10:50, 11:50 and 12:50. So up to 12:50 it is 7 hours, and from 12:50 to 1:30 pm is 40 minutes. So the right answer is 7 hours and 40 minutes. Trickster 2. Tyagarajan has a rope of 6 meter. He cuts it into equal pieces for 30 students. What is the length of ribbon each student will get? A. 2 meter. B. 20 centimeter. C. 20 meter. D. 2 centimeter. The right option is option B, 20 centimeter. The solution. The total length of the ribbon is 6 meters. When converted into centimeter, it becomes 6 into 100 centimeter is equal to 600 centimeter. The total number of students in the class are 30. So the ribbon has been cut into 30 equal parts. So the length of the ribbon for each student will be 600 divided by 30, which is equal to 20 centimeter. So the right option is option B, 20 centimeter. Trickster 3. How many 300-gram salt packets are required to make 3 kg? A. 10, B. 5, C. 2, D. 100. The correct option is option A, 10, and the solution is, so first we need to convert this 3 kilograms to grams. Converting 3 kilogram to gram, as we all know, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kilograms will be 3 into 1000, which is equal to 3000 grams. The number of 300 gram packets required to make 3 kg will be 3000 divided by 300, which is equal to 10. So the right answer is option A, 10. Trickster 4. If the cost of 1 kg of apples are rupees 280, what is the cost of 1.5 kg of apples? A. Rupees 560, B. Rupees 280, C. Rupees 320, D. Rupees 420. The right answer is option D, 420. Let's see how it is solved. Cost of 1 kg of apples is equal to 280. Therefore, converting 1 kg to gram is equal to 1 kg is equivalent to 1000 gram. Therefore, 1000 gram equal to 280 rupees. Therefore, 1 gram will be equal to 280 divided by 1000. Let's keep it as it is. Converting 1.5 kg to gram will be equal to 1 kg plus half kg. This 1.5 is split into 1 kg plus half kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and half kg is equal to 500 grams. So adding them both will be 1500 grams. Therefore, the cost of 1500 grams of apples will be 1500 into 280 by 1000. So that is equal to 1500 into 280 by 1000. In this solution, 15,500 by 1000 can be simplified to 3 by 2. So 3 into 280 by 2 is equal to 840 by 2, which will be 420. Therefore, the answer is option D, 420. Trickster 5. The weight of each of the 6 identical pack of rice is A 250 gram, B 750 gram, C 500 gram, D 300 gram. The right option is option C, 500 gram. Let's see how it is solved. Here we have 3 1 kg bars. So the total weight on the right side of the weighing scale is 3 kg. And we have 6 bags of rice. So 3 kg is equivalent to 6 packets. So converting kg to gram is equal to 3 into 1000. As we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000 grams. Therefore, 1 packet will be equivalent to 3000 divided by 6, which is equal to 500 grams. Therefore, the weight of each individual rice packets will be 500 grams, which is option C. Trickster 6. Muthuvel works for 9 hours a day. If he earns rupees 20 an hour and works for 3 weeks every day in the week, then how much will he earn in total? A. Rupees 3,780, B. Rupees 60, C. 540, D. 2,700 rupees. The right option will be option A, rupees 3,780. Let's see how we get to the answer. The salary per hour is rupees 20 and the salary per day is, since he works for 9 hours a day, 9 into 20 is equal to 180. And number of days in 3 weeks will be 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Therefore, salary for 21 days will be equal to 180 into 21, which adds to 3,780. Trickster 7. Mohanlal bought 20 kg 500 gram of tur dal from shop X and 17 kg 250 gram of tur dal from shop Y. How much more tur dal did he buy from shop X than shop Y? Option A 3000 gram, option B 3 kg, option C 3250 gram, option D both A and B. And the solution is option C 3250 gram. Let's see how we get to the answer. Weight of tur dal from shop X is equal to 20 kg and 500 gram, which when converted to grams will be equivalent to 20,000 grams plus 500 grams. So that is equal to 20,500 grams. And the weight of tur dal from shop Y is equal to 17 kg 250 gram, which when converted to grams will be equivalent to 17,000 gram plus 250 gram, which equals to 17,250 gram. Therefore, amount of tur dal bought more in shop X than shop Y is the difference between 20,500 and 17,500, which equals to 3,250. Therefore, the answer is 3,250 grams. Trickster 8. Compare and fill in the box. 20 gram 75 milligram plus 8 gram 25 milligram blank, 15 gram 25 milligram plus 13 gram 75 milligram. Option A greater than, option B lesser than, option C equal to, option D can't be determined. And the right answer is option C equal to. Let's see how we get to the answer. 20 gram 75 milligram plus 8 gram 25 milligram is equal to 20 plus 8 grams. So 28 grams. 75 plus 25 is 100 mg milligram. So therefore the addition for this particular question is 28 gram 100 milligram. And for the second set of weights, we have 15 gram 25 milligram plus 13 gram 75 milligram. 15 plus 13 gram is equal to 28 gram, and 25 milligram plus 75 milligram is equal to 100 milligram. Therefore the answer is 28 grams and 100 milligrams. Both the options are the same answer. Therefore the addition of the weights for the left side and the addition of the weights for the right side are equal to. Hence option C equal to is the right answer. Trickster 9. Yerumalai traveled 23 kilometers in 2 days. On the first day, he covered 11 kilometers. How much distance did he cover on the second day? A. 12 kilometers, B. 11 kilometers, C. 12,000 meters, D. both A and C. Right option is option D, both A and C. Let's see how we arrive at the answer. The total distance covered in 2 days is equal to 23 kilometers, and the distance covered in the first day was 11 kilometers. Therefore, the distance covered in the second day will be the difference between both the distances, 23 minus 11, which is equal to 12 kilometers. So when 12 kilometers is converted to meters, we get 12 into 1000 meters, that is equal to 12,000 meters. Therefore option A 12 kilometer and option C 12,000 meters are one and the same. Therefore option D, both A and C are the right answer. Trickster 10. Fatima used 12 kg 750 gram flour to bake 15 cakes. If each cake required equal amounts of flour, then how much flour did she use for one cake? A 900 gram, B 850 gram, C 85 gram, D 85 kilogram. And the right answer is option B, 850 gram. Let's look at the solution. The total flour to make 15 cakes was 12 kg and 750 gram, which can be simplified to 12,000 gram plus 750 gram, which is equal to 12,750 gram. So 12 kg 750 gram when converted to grams will be 12,750 gram. Therefore the flour for each cake will be 12,750 grams divided by 15, which is the number of cakes she had baked. Therefore the answer is 12,750 divided by 15 in long division method will give the answer of 850. Therefore the answer is 850 gram. Thanks dear champ. So we have another part coming up, then the level 4, which will be on the subjects of length, weight, capacity and money. Congratulations and all the best.